Hey guys, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Today is my second update in my Big Bottle Showdown. This is a perfume project that I am doing with several ladies here on YouTube and on Instagram. This is where we use our 30 ml bottles or more in any size fragrance mist that we would like to use. It is a personal project. We set our own goals on how we want to work this and what we want to work on. So let's go over the items that I have active in this project and where I am at in my goals. Let's talk about my body spray. This is Zoella's Gelato fragrance mist. I have this in this project. I put this one in my bedroom after last update and I got a little more use on it, which was good. Even though it looks about to be the same, I was able to actually use it more. So when I brought it in, it was right at this blue line, then it was at this red line, somewhere within that nail polish area, because I just cannot draw a straight line, and now we're at this red line. So I am making slow and steady progress. I am not sure if this will be done by July 15th, but I am going to give it my good old college try to get it done. If not, I can always roll it into a little goes a long way, because this is a body spray fragrance mist, unlike the others, which are perfumes. This one is a use up goal. This is my La Vanilla, Fresh Vanilla Lemon. I really like this used as a layering perfume. It has a very synthetic note, which I don't notice when I'm layering it with other perfumes, but on its own, I definitely noticed it. I have used this since then, but I must have had my lines all messed up at last update, because when I brought it in, it was at this blue line, then it was at this orange line here, and I have used it since just once, but it is still right at that orange line. So I must have accidentally marked it just a little bit lower, so it will stay right at that orange line for this next month. After I finished off the perfume that I brought in at the beginning, I rolled in Britney Spears Fantasy. When I rolled it in, it was right here. Now I've marked it, but with a red Sharpie. I need to mark it again. It is right where my finger is. If I can hold this bottle straight, you would actually be able to see kind of where it's at. I've been wearing this quite a bit. I wear this to bed quite a bit because this has been sitting next to my bed along with Gelato, so these have been kind of getting interplayed. I have been going back and forth between those two for uses. Now my use goal, so this is a use up goal as well, if I failed to say that. This is a use goal. I brought this in at the beginning. This is Exo Miami. I finally got 10 uses on this, but man, I like this scent, but it just would not compute in my brain to grab this. But I finally got my 10 uses on that perfume, and I'm so glad. I love it. I'm just usually going through them a lot faster, but this year I'm not, which is okay. In its place, I brought in Jimmy Choo Blossom. Love Jimmy Choo Blossom. I have 2 uses on this. It is such a beautiful fruity floral scent. More on the fruity side than the floral scent, which is my jam. So, yep. This is the one I have a use goal on, so once I use it 10 times, then I will roll it out and roll something else in. But for now, that is what I have done for this month. I have completed my use goal on 1 and still plugging away on the other 3 that are use up goals. So make sure you go check out the others. Their links will be down below for you to just click on so you can go visit them. Please take care, everybody. Be safe, be smart, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.